I'd like for you to come on a journey with me. A journey to expand your mind, to expand your thinking, to expand your point of view, to expand your ultrastanding of all possibilities and outcomes, to all possible paths. Expand your thinking for a moment, just for one moment, of all new paths to law, to remedy, and to yourself. Come with us. Expand all opportunities to increase your awareness and your potential and what that might look like. Are you ready? Ultrastanding.com is where you can find me.